and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone XR. If you guys saw my what I got for Christmas and my birthday haul, you guys know that I got a new phone for my birthday and Christmas. Previously, I had the iPhone 7 Plus, and I think I had it for almost 4 years. And it was time for me to get a new phone. The other one had been through a lot. It's definitely different not having a home button, and it's definitely different having a smaller screen. And it's definitely different not having as good of a camera, but I'm super grateful and thankful that I do have a phone in general. And I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see a what is on my iPhone, and a ton of you said yes. And I also figured I would show you guys my cases because I do only have 3. I've noticed that it's a lot harder to find cases for the iPhone XR than it was for me to find cases for the iPhone 7 Plus. So right off the bat, I am just going to show you guys my cases right now. The first one is the one that is currently on my phone, and it is the one that I got after I got my phone, and it is just a spec case, and I believe it's the Spec Presidio glitter grip, and obviously mine is just purple. I absolutely love it. It is super protective, and I've always loved spec cases. I especially like that it does have the grips so you don't drop your phone and it's easier to hold on to. I also have this one. This is a Kate Spade case, and it is just a clear case with rose gold stripes on it. I really like this one because you can see the actual back of the phone, and I've always been a huge fan of Kate Spade cases, and this one came from Marshall's. And the last case I have is from Custype, and they are just an online Amazon store that carries phone cases, and this is just what it looks like. It is just green, and it has cats on it that are like an orangey beige and white. If you guys have been following along, I do love cats. I have 3 of them. I did have 4 up until last August. I'm a huge cat fan. I absolutely love this. I think it is adorable. They also have a ton of other different patterns and designs. So this is just my home screen. It is just my cat baby, and then when you open up my phone, this is what my home screen looks like. Right on the bottom, I just have YouTube, Snapchat, which is private. I have my Instagram, which this is just what my Instagram feed looks like. Definitely go follow me. It's just at Allie's__life. And then I also have messages. Moving up to the top, I basically just have a bunch of the typical apps that come on the phone. I have settings, contacts, FaceTime, phone, notes, clock, photos, camera, weather, app store, Safari, and then I have this folder called health. Then I just have this medical dictionary because if you guys didn't know, I work in the medical field, and I found this is a great one to use. I have activity, my ID, which I have talked about a ton here on my channel. I do have a coupon code for you guys to get free shipping. I will leave it here on the screen, and I will leave the videos where I talk more about my ID down below. I have Clue, which you can use to track your period. Health Propeller, which is an app that you can use with inhalers to track your inhaler usage. It's this little device that you attach to the inhaler. And then I have an app called Allergy Eats, which basically is an app you can use to check restaurants to see their allergen menus and see what foods are safe for you to eat. Then I just have music, Spectrum TV, so I can watch TV on my phone, the Watch app, Netflix, Gmail, Amazon. Then I have TikTok. My TikTok is just Miss Allie Young. And then on the bottom row, I just have Google Calendar, which is my absolute favorite calendar app, Messenger for Facebook. My actual Facebook is private. And then I have Spotify. Moving over to my second page, this is just what it looks like. Up at the top, I have Wallet. Then I have Discover and Capital One, which are my credit cards, PayPal, AdSense to track my YouTube revenue, YT Studio, which is what I use on my phone to do all my YouTube stuff, Octoly, which is an app that I use to receive products for reviewing. Then I have utilities in here. I have all the apps that I need on my phone but don't typically use. So I have iTunes Store, Calculator, Amazon Alexa, the HP Smart app, which is how I print from my phone, Shortcuts, Roku, which is the phone remote for the Roku, Voice Memos, Pimple Eraser, Calendar, which I don't use but have because it syncs up with all my other devices. Then I just have the Find My iPhone app, Maps, and Mail. I also have USPS Mobile so I can track my mail and packages, Showtime and Hulu, which are what I watch different shows on and movies, Emoji Blitz, which is one of my favorite games. I have unlocked so many different emojis and have such a fun time playing this game. Then I just have word stacks. Basically, you try to find different words. For example, here's the word soup. It's not an actual word for the word bank, but it is a bonus word. I have Tripeaks Solitaire, Block Hexa, which is a puzzle game, Heyday, which is my recent obsession. It's literally the game I spend most of my time on lately. This is just what my farm looks like, and I've literally been playing this game probably since high school. Then I just have Canva, which is what I use to do a lot of my social media posts. and they have different layouts you can choose from, and I just think they turn out really good. I have Visco, which mine is actually private, but I do use this to edit a lot of my pictures. Freeosk, which is how you can get samples from the machine at Sam's Club, and then I have the Walmart app. So that is what is on my iPhone. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have a favorite app that I do not have on my phone that you think I should, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely give it a try. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I upload new videos regularly and would love it if you'd become part of our little family. Also, be sure to hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload new videos. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!